Hey sugar, I can show you how to make the best winged eyeliner ever. Okay, look. I use this wide one. I use that basically for the inside of my eye, and I use the skinny one for the tip. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, I take the wide one first. Right? The wide one. And I just come inside. Ideally I would apply my eyeliner before my mascara. But today I'm trying to make sure you guys can see good. Okay, voila, right? You can see that's just the inside. I'll do the same over here. It's hard, hold on, to do it so you guys can see. Can you guys see well? Let me see, yeah, okay. So I'm just doing my eyelid with the thick one. I prefer the thick one on the inside. You see it? Wow, voila. Okay, bam. Okay, then I take this thin one and I do my wing with that, right? So I just go up. Can you guys see well? Let's see if I can. I just go up like that. Yes, make that line right there. I make another line and then I just fill in, right? I just fill it in. I make like a triangle and then I just fill in the triangle. I like my liner super dark, so I tend to go over it multiple times. Ha, right? Okay, I'll do this one. So just again, I do the triangle, right? I do the triangle and then I just fill it in from there. Ooh, girl, yes. You making your own money, girl? You popping, what? You got that 9 to 5, you making it do what it do, what? You taking care of them kids, stacking your dough, credit score in line, what, girl? You popping, you are everything. Check my eyeliner. Voila.